What makes a strong and confident self-introduction? Let me show you with a simple example. Hello, my name is Adam. I'm currently pursuing a career in business leadership, and my primary focus is on strategic management and organizational growth. I started my career as a business analyst, and over time, I worked my way up to a leadership role. My field of expertise includes business strategy and market analysis, and I also oversee a team working on innovative projects that drive company success. In my free time, I enjoy playing badminton and staying active. I also like cooking and trying new recipes because it allows me to be creative. Sometimes I watch educational videos to learn new ideas, and whenever I have time, I enjoy visiting new places and experiencing different cultures. If I describe my personality, I would say I'm a curious and determined person. I enjoy learning new ideas and improving my skills. I also try to stay positive in challenging situations and focus on finding solutions. My colleagues often describe me as reliable because I always try to complete my work on time. In my professional life, I try to stay goal-oriented and focused on achieving meaningful results. I also believe in being proactive and solving problems before they become bigger challenges. I enjoy working with teams and collaborating with others to achieve common goals. At the same time, I try to stay flexible and open to learning new skills that help me grow professionally. Before we finish, remember one simple formula for a confident self-introduction. Talk about what you do, share your hobbies, describe your personality, and mention your professional qualities. If you practice these 4 steps regularly, you will be able to introduce yourself clearly and confidently in English.